Okay, I will just log out from mine first. Okay, so what happens is if we want to, what they call it, register, you just have to go below here, guys. You'll be able to see register now. There's a button here that says register now. So you just have to click on register now, and then you click on select your location from where you are. And if your location is not here, then you can select others. Okay, there's others over here. Okay, so in my case here, I will select this to put Malaysia. You click on confirm, select an email, create a password, and then guys here you can click click this to get click the send button to get a verification code to your email, and then here is where you need to key in your referral code that was given by the person who introduced to you Royal Q or who invited you here today. Okay, then you just click on I've agreed to the terms and condition, and then you just have to click register now. Automatically the application will be registered. Okay, so once you have registered, what you need to do is stop share for a while. Let me just log in now, guys. So once you have registered, you just have to log in into your account, okay, into your Royal Q bot in order to do the following settings. Okay, so now let me share the screen back. Okay, so once you're logged in, guys, this is how your application will look. You have all these tools up here that you can use. So the first thing, guys, is you can see here you got your API binding, revenue detail, transactions, and invite friend. Okay, these are the few things. But now the first thing you need to do, guys, okay, when you already register for the application is you need to head down to, you go down to mine down here. Can you see there's a button says mine? You go down to mine. Okay, guys. So once you have gone down to mine, what you need to do is clear, go to mine, and then you go to asset. You go to asset here, guys. Okay, my bot is already activated, but I'm just going to show you an example what you need to do. Because the first thing is you need to activate your Royal Q bot before even you do the API settings. Okay, guys, because initially before this you can do your API binding first and then you can activate the bot, but now it is compulsory to activate it first, then only you can do your binding. Okay, so what you need to do here is you click on asset. Okay, you click on asset, you'll be able to click this deposit button over here. Okay, when you click deposit, you get this address. So you copy this address and you need to send USDT. Sorry, you copy this address and you need to send USDT $100 to the Royal Q bot in order to activate it. This $1, guys, is a 1-year subscription fee. Okay. So 1-year subscription fee. Every year you just have to pay $100 in order to use the bot. But again, guys, plus I would recommend you to add on another USDT $20 at least in order to activate. So that means you are going to send USDT $120 to the Royal Q bot. Okay, let me explain to you what for what. So if when you send $120 to the bot, from here, USDT $100 will be minus off for a yearly subscription. Okay, the balance $20, guys, is the commission that goes to Royal Q when it does a successful trade for you. Meaning, as I told you earlier, if you make $1 profit on Royal Q on your exchanger, the bot will minus 20% from here. From this money. So this will keep reducing. Okay, you can see, like example, you can see on my one here, you can see that the balance kept reducing. You can see all this is the fee that was charged for the trading, a 20% fee. Okay, so once you have already got your USDT $120 here, what you need to do is you need to go back to the front screen here on the mine. Guys, you see this yellow box here? So on a normal time, when you are new, it shows the word activate over here. You click on this. So let me show you. You click on this, it'll come out like this. This button here will say activate. So you just click on activate. So it will minus off USD $100 from your Royal Q board. The balance, as I told you earlier, the balance of USD $20 will remain in your account so that when you start to trade, you can take its commissions from there. Okay. So that's done today. That's quite clear, guys. So you need to activate first, then only go for the API binding. Now let's go to do API binding. So you go back to home. Okay, and then you go up here, guys. Second step. This step 2. Step 1, you already downloaded. Step 2, you already activated your Royal Q board. Step 3 is you need to do your API binding. So you click on API binding here. Okay. You can see like my one is already binded, but I'll show you however. So you can bind Binance and Huobi. The best part, guys, is this. For your $100 1-year subscription, you can use this board on 2 exchanges and make money, guys, simultaneously. Meaning at the same time, you can use a Binance and a Huobi, keep your capital over there, and you can trade. Best part, guys, this to me, this is the cheapest board in the market with the best tools that is there, okay, for you to use. Now, you click on Binance. For example, I will show you on Binance. So what you need to do first, guys, normally when you come here, you won't be able to see all this, you won't be able to see all this, okay, it'll be empty, okay? So what you need to do, you need to click on this copy button over here, okay? Copy this. Now, let's go to our exchanger. So you go to Binance. Now in Binance, you need to go for more, okay? You go to more, you click on more, you go all the way below. You'll be able to find API management here, guys. Okay. So you click on API management. Okay. All you need to do, you need to create an API. So in this case, I'm going to create an API. Let's see. So I put Royal Q. Okay. The name can be anything, guys, but if you put Royal Q, at least you can remember. Create API. So it will ask you to do your verification, guys, okay? So you need to do your verification. So you click get code. So this one will take me at least a few seconds, guys. Because I think during a presentation, I deleted my settings. So this one comes up to 150999. This one comes to 1544. So once you have done that, guys, you'll be able to see your API key is below here. Okay. So what you need to do is, you first step, guys, is you need to click on this edit button over here. Okay. So what you do, you stop sign, you click on edit. Then you click on this arrow down here. You go all the way below. You can see this. There is this thing here says restrict account to trusted IPs only. So you need to click on this, and then you paste those IPs that you copied just now here. Right? Sorry, guys. So then you click on confirm. Then you can see, guys, all the APIs that are used by the IPs used by Royal Q. It's already here. So other people manage to get access, they cannot access your account. Okay. The next step, guys, is once this is done, you go a bit up. You can see here, guys, that you can see here there's API restrictions. Okay. First one is correct. Second one, you need to enable it. So you enable the second one. Now remember this, guys, the remaining don't have to enable. Okay. All that you leave it as unchecked. You only check these two. Okay. Because you allow the bot to read the market and allow the bot to trade. That's it. Okay. Once this is done, you need to do what is, you just need to copy this code. Okay, copy this code, copy, go back to Royal Queue, and you paste it over here. You paste it here in the API key section. Okay. Sorry, guys. I don't know what I'm saying. So, okay, you copy this secret key. Sorry, you copy the secret key, and then you go back here and you paste the secret key here at the secret key column. Sorry, here. Okay. Then what you do? You go back to your Royal Queue. You click on this. Go back to your Binance. Click on the copy button over here. Okay, copy. Go to here and you paste it here at the API key. Okay, you paste it here at the API key. Once that's done, once that's done, you go up here and you click on save. They'll ask you to verify again. You just have to do this verification. Okay, now the API key is successfully done. So you go back to your Royal Queue, and then here, guys, you can see a thing says that bind it. So you just have to click on bind, and the Royal Queue bot is officially binded to your account. Okay, so once that's done, so now the third step, which is to bind, already done already. Now let's go and see. You can see once it's binded, you can see that this will be orange color. You even can do it for hobby, but I don't have hobby account, so I can't show you an example. I'm sure you'll be able to find some YouTube videos online on YouTube to see whether how to do an API binding for hobby. Okay. Okay. Then once you come back to the main screen, guys, you're already ready to start trading. Okay. Now to start trading, all you need to do is you have two options over here for trading, guys. Okay. The first option is you have quantitative. And then the second option, you have circle. Now, for those of you who are very new to crypto, if you don't have much experience in cryptocurrency trading, my advice is go for circle trade. Circle trade is also known as copy trade. That means you copy some traders, okay? Or if you have experience in crypto, then you can go for quantitative trade, okay? Now, I'm going to show you an example first. We go to the copy trade. So I click on this circle. I can select any of the traders that I would like to follow. Okay. For example, let's say we take Bull King. For example, let's say we take Crypto Bull. Crypto Bull. Okay. So here what happens is you can click on the once you come here, you'll be able to see there's a word here says apply to join. So you click on the apply. I've already applied to join already. You click on the apply to join. Then what you need to do is you need to click on this percentage over here. Okay. You click on the percentage over here. So once you click on this percentage over here, it will show you the coins that this trader has been trading. Okay, guys, this trader has made a profit of 4,763% trading on Royal Queue. That's superb, right? So you just need to follow that, okay? So now what you need to do is you have to go down here and you click on sync strategy. Okay, you click on sync strategy. So click on sync strategy. Now here, guys, you can select your first buying amount and the number of coins you would like to follow. And remember, this profit sharing of 1.5% goes to this trader, guys. So example, just now I told you, if you make $1 profit, I told you earlier that 20% of the profit goes to the Royal Queue. Now 1.5% will go here and balance 79.5, 78.5, I think, yeah, will go to you. Okay, that's your profit. So here, guys, it's very simple. You can select, for example, if my capital is $100, here I can select, maybe I can put $10 and I can follow one coin. If my capital in Binance is $100. But if my capital is $1,000, then I can select maybe 5 coins and I can put, if my capital is $1,000, then maybe I can put $20 here and I can select up to 5 coins for trading. So it uses $100 to open this position, and the remaining $900, it keeps in your account for drawbacks. In case the price go down, it will do dollar cost average by buying the lower price. Okay, guys? So that's simple. Once you put in, for example, let me try, I put in $10. I'm going to follow this one coin just to show you an example. So once this is done, I just have to click on sync strategy. Okay, so I click on sync strategy. Now my trade for copy trade is already activated. If I go to my home screen, you can see that the Royal Cube bot have just purchased this XRP. Okay, this bot. You can see the word here, sync strategy, and the system is cycling, and this is for XRP, guys. Okay, that's the best part about here. Now, the best thing about this Royal Cube bot, once it's already done, you just have to sit back and rest, and the trades will happen. You see here, guys, this account had 99 trades. Okay, you can see 99 trades. 99 trades going on. So I didn't even open it, so guys, it's just going on it itself. Okay, and that can see even now my XRP is already on blue color, means profit. Just now it's on profit. Hopefully, before we finish the presentation, we can see that if any of these trades would have made profit. Okay. Now that is how to do copy trade, guys. Okay. Now, in order for you to do quantitative trade, if you have experience in crypto, you want to do your own trade, then you can go to quantitative trade. Quantitative trade is very easy. You just click on quantitative. You have a list of coins that you can select that you want to trade. Okay. So today's example, let's take a coin that I've not traded for some time, and we will trade that coin. Let's go for sorry guys, okay, let's go for ATC. Okay. Now, ATC is a coin, right? So we're going to trade this coin today. I'm going to show you how to trade this coin. So the first step is, guys, you need to go select the coin. Then you go to trade settings below here. You can see the word called trade settings. So you just have to go to trade settings. Okay, you go to trade settings. Now, here, you can select, number one, guys, is the amount that you want to buy this coin for, opening price, okay? So here in our example today, I'm going to use $25 for this position. Next, guys, is you can select whether you want to open for double position. Normally, I don't use this, not asked to use this, because if I wanted to do double position, I will just open at $50 straight away, correct? So that's the thing. Now, my number of margin call is 7. Whole position take profit, I'm going to put at 1.3. I'll leave it to the standard. And then whole position profit callback 0.3. Okay. Let me explain to you what is these two first, guys. Okay, these two things here. Now, for example, you bought here, price is going up. The minute the price hits at 1.3%, Royal Cube bot will be ready to take profit when there's a callback of 0.3%. So there's a callback of 0.3%. The bot will close the trade. That means your net profit will be 1%. Okay, so this is what it means over here. Okay, now buy-in callback, it's basically to buy in the slippage. Okay, and then you have distributor and take profit allocation. All this I'll explain to you in a while time. Let's go to the margin call limit. Okay, margin call limit here you can see is 7, guys. Okay. So what is this? So to do this configuration, we can go to here, margin configuration. Okay, so you go to margin configuration, you can do the configuration here. Now, what is this, guys? Okay, let me explain to you. Now, let's say you bought the coin price here, expecting it to go up. Okay, but it didn't go up, but it went down. When the price goes down by 3.5%, Royal Cube bot will be ready to buy again the same coin for 2 times the volume. That means earlier I opened for $25, Now here it will use $50 to open this position. So it does a dollar cost averaging for you. Now, when this purchase already, my entry is no more up here. It's no more here, but it could be somewhere here. Okay. Then let's say if the price traveled down some more and went down another 4%. Royal Q board will use another $100 to buy the coin 4 times, yeah, the same coin. Now my entry price is here and no longer here, here, or here. Meaning, guys, when the market recovers from here, let me change this color. Okay, when the market recovers from here, I don't have to wait all the way up here to start making profit, but from here onwards, the account is already making profit. Okay, so this is what it means about this part of the thing. So they have 7 calls. Normally, what I will do is I will group most of first. We will change this to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 16, and 21. Now, on this side, sorry guys. Okay, I might do again. Now, only change this one. This one don't change, guys, but this one is already done by market research, so you don't have to change this, okay? You only change this side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 16, 21. Confirm. Now, once that's done, meaning now you understand what is it that, so then you can start to save your trade. Okay, you can save your trade up here. You can see here, save it, and then you just have to click on start. Start. Let's say start. Confirm. So now what happened here, guys, is if I go back to home, you can see that my ETC trade is already open. Sorry, ETC trade is already open. Okay. Now let's go back to the trade to see the settings. Now you can see here, guys, there's a word says cycle over here. Cycle means whenever the board purchases a trade, okay, closes with a profit, buys again. Closes with a profit, it buys again. Closes with a profit, it buys again. Until if I want to stop to buy this coin, I need to go click on one shot. If I click on one shot, what happens now you can see is the one shot word went here and the cycle word came here. Now what happens when it makes profit the last round, it will not buy back again until we instruct it to buy again, okay? And then you have the sell button. In case if you want to manually sell the trade, you can click on sell. Okay, you can click on sell, you can put on market price 100% and you can sell all the coins off. But please always be aware of this part here, guys. You must see that this is in positive, it cannot be in negative. If it's in negative, you will have actual losses, okay? I'm not going to go too detail on it, guys, because if you want detail, you can always get it from So I've mistakenly sold the trade. Okay, now I know what it is. Okay, then you can see the buy button here is to buy the trade. Okay, if you want to buy a trade, you want to add on capital in your trade, and then you have your stop margin call, which is, remember, that's not the margin settings we had here. Let's say the call is going below, market is dumping, and you want to stop after this, you don't want to continue using your USDT to buy positions, then you just need to click on, then you just have to click on stop margin call. And strategy mode here, guys, is very simple. You have a few strategy modes I can show you. You have 3 strategy modes, which is whole warehouse, sub-bin mode, and sun. Now, this is very simple. On your margin call, when you are on your 5th call, and whatever coins purchased that time, you can choose if you don't want to wait for the whole trade to close, and you want to play just the below, you want to sell when it's on profit, you can go for sub-bin mode or sub-bin real time. The differences between these two, this one and this one, is just the settlement of the fees. Okay, guys, it's just the settlement of the fees. So that's not nothing to worry about. So guys, this is basically on Royal Q Trading Board. Now, just if you go up here, you can see that you can, the voting is no more there. Before this, you could vote which coin you want. Guys, if you have any problems, you can always contact the go to Royal Q feedback over here, and you can contact the administrator by giving them what's your problem, and they will reply you normally within 10-15 minutes. Okay.